2025 is over, but what weather events stood out and how is our climate across West Michigan? Let's take a look. If we had to narrow it down to just 3 weather events, these 3 weather events really stood out in 2025. First of all, we had 2 tornado events across West Michigan. March 30th was the biggest one, and we also had another one on May 15th. In total, the state of Michigan saw 33 tornadoes, all of them being at least an EF1 or weaker. Summer drought was a big story in Holland this year, especially around the Holland area where severe drought really took hold. And then we saw pretty heavy lake effect snow in the Muskegon and Hart area early December where they saw over a foot of snow. Now that was looking at just specific weather events, but how was the climate as a whole throughout 2025? Taking a look at Grand Rapids, it was actually a pretty normal year temperature-wise. We had an average temperature of 49.5, which is exactly average for the city of Grand Rapids. Precipitation though, we were lacking in the precipitation department. It was a pretty dry year with almost 11 inches below average for the entire city of Grand Rapids. Now heading to the lakeshore, Muskegon, you also were in the same boat as Grand Rapids. It was a pretty normal year temperature-wise with an average temperature of 49.5 degrees as well as Grand Rapids. Precipitation though, you were lacking in that department. You also saw a dry year of just over 6 inches below average.